Pause. So I'm on day 1 of quarantine again. Like, this is crazy. This is going to be my second time with COVID. The first time was back in August. You guys know we had COVID after our wedding, and we've been doing really good. I literally go to work and come home. Work, home, grocery store, home. I don't go out. I don't do all that stuff. So I'm a little frustrated because I wash my hands, I do all the things. But yeah, I have COVID again. I will say, like, compared to last time, this time it's really, I feel like I have a cold, very congested, and like runny nose, sneezing, like allergy symptoms. Compared to the first time, I had fever, really, really bad headache, chills, super, super tired, fever. Tuesday night, I had the body aches, the fever, and everything Tuesday night. And then I had another low-grade fever yesterday. But other than the fever, I felt fine. So I'm praying that, the symptoms stay mild like they are. Praying that my kids and my husband stay negative. So, yeah, here we are again. I just keep praying and thanking God for my health and for his covering. And I'm sitting down like, Lord, I hear you. Be still, okay? I hear you. I just feel I got into a wreck in December 29th. My son ended up hitting his head and needing a staple recently. Now I have COVID. It's just like, I really had so many other plans for 2022, but it's okay. It's okay. It may not have started off the way that I wanted it to, but I'm here. I'm a little sad because my birthday is next week, and yeah, it looks like I'm gonna be in the house. So yeah, just a quick update. Once I get up, I'm like confined to my bedroom right now. Once I get up and I'm getting ready to take a shower, I will get back on here and vlog. So today is my last day of quarantine. I just wanted to give you guys a quick little update before I start on my hair. I slept on it last night, so it looks kind of crazy, but it's about to go in some braids. Like I showed you. I need to fix this one. It's looking a little cray. I only plan to keep them in about 2 weeks, so I switch up all the time. I get bored really easily. So yeah, today's the last day of quarantine. I feel almost 100%. Like, I feel okay. I just have a slight cough, drainage. Yeah, so now let's get back to this hair. I have been here for hours and I only have this many 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 braids. They're super long, but I probably won't keep them this long, but yeah, I'm like contemplating the rest, but it's kind of relaxing for me, and I'm just trying to learn. The back, I don't know, for my third time, you guys tell me. Y'all really can't see. Again, I have really, really fine hair too, so I don't know. So we're just gonna keep going, and I mean, there's nothing else to do, and it's just hair. I can always take it down. I'll probably leave it up for literally like 2 weeks because my hair is so thin and fine that it gets frizzy really, really quickly. So yeah, showing y'all how I do this. I totes forgot I'm gonna try to show you guys. I'm not the best at explaining what the hell I'm doing either. I'm just feeding in some hair and braiding. I don't know, the lighting isn't that great down here on the floor. Hold on, take a break. But this is how I do it. I don't know if it's the right way, but it's my way. It's how I'm able to get the braids. And I think they look pretty decent, if I do say so myself. I need to add a piece of hair. Probably, maybe if I do, it'll be later. So yeah, you guys, I don't know how you bitches braid because my hands are cramping so bad. Kudos to y'all. These are the ones that I've done so far. Obviously, I'm not doing my baby hairs yet. So I have my whole head to do. Look at my man. Let me put this on since he's in my presence. Babe. Yeah. I was trying to get you to say hey to my...
What?
Trying to get you to say hey to my people.
Hey. Is it safe to come in there?
I put my mask on.
Why is hair everywhere? Get all this.
Babe has been taking care of me since...
Who's gonna take care of me?
Me. I already took care of you. I took care of you already twice.
That wasn't enough.
Anyways, y'all, I'm gonna take a break now so me and him can watch TV and stuff. And I did the top of my hair in the back, so all I gotta do is the middle. And I'll just show you guys that part when I'm done. All right, you guys. So it has been... Oh, come on, focus. It's literally been all day, but I am finally done with my hair. I think that they came out so cute. That's what they look like. I'm getting ready to dip them. I just put some mousse on them. And yeah, period. I think for my third time, I did a lot better on, especially on my braiding technique. I did a lot better this time. Now my parts, yeah, that's the hardest thing, like trying to braid your own hair and part. Let's see if it'll focus. I mean, I did okay on the parts. I don't know, but these parts are even in tings. So yeah, you guys, I'm done with my hair for about 2 weeks. I'll be good. 3 weeks if I'm feeling lazy. And yeah, I'm getting ready to dip the ends of my hair now, and then I'll show you guys my final look. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another day in the life of Jasmine. Y'all, my nose, I exfoliated and stuff yesterday, so when I woke up yesterday, I exfoliated. My skin was like super glowy. It was hitting. And then I woke up this morning and I had breakouts on my nose, but that's what happens when you exfoliate. You're bringing all of that stuff to the surface. So yeah, I look a little cray, but I am, and I have a breakout right here, but I think it's from wearing the mask. Y'all know I have been wearing my mask consistently for 5 days because I had COVID, and I was wearing my mask in my house, everywhere, in my room and stuff. So yeah, I look a little crazy, but I'm headed to get something to eat, and my lips are still super dry. Like, it's crazy. I'm headed to get some lunch, and I'm in my husband's car today. And it's so funny because the kids call it the hoopty. So I'm in the hoopty today, y'all, and the lighting sucks, clearly. Baby, give me some light. There we go. Yeah, I don't even know if I've shown you guys my finished hair. I may have, I don't know, but my hair came out super cute. I'm getting better and better. I just need to work on like parting. I'm not good at that at all. I just wanted to update you guys. I'm back at work. I'm feeling better, and I'm just blessed, and I'm just thankful. And yeah, I still have a cough though. That's annoying because I don't want people to think that I'm like that sick anymore. And I actually didn't have a cough during like my quarantine. I mean, I had a slight cough. You know, like once you have a lot of drainage in your sinuses, it can cause a cough. So I do have a little cough or whatever, but it's nothing too serious. I just wanted to check in. I hope you guys are enjoying the vlog this far. I hope you guys didn't laugh at me doing my hair, but yeah, I'm not digging the lighting in here, so I'm gonna see y'all in a little bit. Hey guys, what's up? So today is, it's been a couple days, honestly. Today is I don't even know what today is. Today is Tuesday. I'm gonna set you guys down right here. Don't mind my catch-all is what we call it. My my ottoman that catches all the clothes and things like that. So like I said, today is Tuesday, and I just got a huge order of more boxes for my business. So I purchased some boxes off of Uline. If you don't know what that is, type it in Google, where you can get like poly bags, boxes, just all different types of materials. So I did get my box in today. I have another box out there with more. So I ended up deciding to go with 8x8 size boxes, 8x8. So I'm still trying to learn like everything, but this is the box. Oh, there's only one set in here, so I think I got 3 sets of boxes. So they come in a bundle of 25, I believe, and this is what they look like. I'm gonna open one and see. I need to get some packing tape and stuff like that, but I'm gonna just show you. Hang on, I might have to. Yeah, I'm gonna have to. I haven't really talked about my business yet. Comment down below if that is something that you guys are interested in seeing. I'm still learning, and I'm open to tips and things like that. Put that back in there. So yes, I decided to go with the 8x8 boxes for first class. Excuse me, guys. For first class. No. No, just set it down. All right. Thanks. Go, Lily. For first class shipping. Sorry, you guys. So I decided to go with the 8x8 boxes. I feel like that'll be just perfect for my hats to be shipped. So a lot of videos that I watched, they were using 7x7x7, and while those were perfect, I think that for me it was just Mason snug for my liking. So this is what the box looks like. Literally the perfect size. So I'm gonna actually put one together if I can find some tape. Where's the tape at?
I don't know.
I think I threw it away, you guys, but I was gonna put one together and then weigh it because I have my my scale. So yeah, I'm gonna just do like a pretend order. So this is what the boxes are, y'all. Just literally an empty box. I'm gonna take my poly mailer that says thank you for your purchase, and I'll put the hats inside of here. So far 2 hats can fit in here really nicely. 3 hats, because you know hats are, you're able to, let me show you guys while I have you here. So you know hats are able to stack against each other. So say I put 2 or 3 hats in one order. A lot of people I noticed just took their hats and stuck them directly in the box like so. Bring it back! I think this is just the perfect size. I don't like this idea just because I don't want anything to get on the hat. So, and I'm just being a little extra at the same time. So, instead of just sticking it in the box, I'm going to put it. in the poly mailer. Now my throat, Lily, my throat is so dry. Okay, so I have it in the poly mailer. I'm not gonna close it though. I don't think. Once you seal these things, y'all know they just do not come open. So I have them in the poly mailer, and then I'll stick them in the box. I put the hat inside the poly mailer. I will then stick it inside of the box. Thank you for your order. Then I can just stick them on there. Thank you very much. And boom, you guys. That's it. And of course, like as I grow and things like that, I'm really tired, you guys. And I just took off my makeup. It's like super late in the evening. But yeah, as I grow, I'll you know, change things up and add different designs and things like of that nature. So I'm excited and I can't wait to bring you guys on the journey with me. So yeah, just a quick little business update for the people.